870.
All right, we're back. Doug Sunseri, Albert Nico, your weekend lawyers, all things legal. You can also call us our law firm of Nico and Sunseri at 504-837-1304, 504-837-1304. Let's go to the phone lines. Let's go to Robert. Robert's got a question regarding his 50-50 participation in a limited partnership. Hey, Robert, you're in all things legal with Doug Sunseri and Albert Nico.
Hey, Doug. Hey, how are y'all doing?
Good. What you got for us?
Good. Like you said, I'm in a limited liability corp. I'm a 50% owner of a property worth.
All right, wait, let's back up. The comment line on the screen says partnership. Is it limited liability company?
Yes, it's an
LLC.
Oh, it's an LLC, yeah, because they have different rules for partnerships and LLCs. But go ahead.
I'm sorry. So, but I'm a 50-50 owner of the LLC.
Okay.
We have $1 million property in the LLC.
Mm-hmm.
The partner, my other partner, wanted to sell the property. Basically said he didn't want to sell it to me. I don't know why, except that maybe he wanted to get a better price and didn't think I could match the price.
Mm-hmm.
Went to the bank and matched the final price of what he wanted.
All right, let me stop you, ask you a couple of questions, if you don't mind. He wants to sell his interest in the LLC, or he wants to sell the property that is the subject of the LLC?
He wants to sell the property
to a third party.
LLC.
Okay.
Okay, but not his interest in the LLC.
Yes, he wants. Well, that's how. I guess that's how.
Is that the LLC's only asset?
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right. There we go.
So we get to the final. We get to the final price. I make the offer. Basically, I went to the bank. The bank wanted to lend me the money. I got the money. We went to. I made the final offer. After haggling for 6 months, he decides he doesn't want to sell it.
Okay.
Do I have any recourse whatsoever?
Probably not.
Probably
not.
Yeah. I mean, y'all don't have an operating agreement, right?
You know, we do not, and that's what's bad about it.
Probably what you would have to do is you could file a petition to dissolve the LLC saying that y'all are impasse on the management of the asset and ask the court to liquidate the property. You can have a liquidator appointed, and then once the liquidator is appointed, then you can make an offer to the liquidator to purchase the property.
Okay.
Now, I'm giving you a lot of steps very condensed, but you could file, if you're at an impasse, a petition to dissolve the LLC and sell off the property. And then you'd ask for an appointment of a liquidator to sell the property, which may be a real estate agent type.
Right, and be careful what you ask for too, because if you sell the property, you're selling the entire property and not a 50% interest.
Well, it's interesting that you're bringing that up because in the beginning I did not want to sell the property, but he sent me an attorney letter saying that's how he was gonna. If we didn't move on the property, that's how he was gonna liquidate it. So I came up with the price, and then he backs off. So
perhaps his financial condition changed, and he doesn't need the cash anymore, and so he's, who knows why, but, unless the terms of the agreement, there was a written purchase agreement saying, I will purchase it for X by X date, then, if that exists, then you probably have rights of specific performance.
No, that does exist. That does exist, but he didn't sign it.
Well,
then it doesn't exist. Right?
Yeah.
But yeah, in the future, when that happens, give him a formal purchase agreement, certain terms, and say, here you go. This is what we're going to do. And if he doesn't sign it, then of course you have no recourse.
I have no recourse. There it is. So we went back and forth with the purchase agreement. We got to the price, and then he went silent.
Well, then if you put it into a liquidation proceeding, you'll either have the opportunity to buy it for the price you want, or someone else is going to buy it for more.
Yeah, I got it.
All right.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
All right. Thanks for the call. Okay, it's WWL News Time, 9:30. Let's go to First News with Don Ames. Take it away, Don.